In fact, we don't even want to be eligible because it's unfair. They're going to tell you today that you're eligible and in 20 years that you're not eligible, and there's no person that you're going to be able to hold responsible. In fact, if you're out there and you've done this on your own, and people have, we've talked about them at the beginning of the show, they're going to tell you that you're eligible for EI today when you're not even claiming for the benefits today. And then 20 years from now, they're going to tell you you're not eligible, and you're going to go, why? I got this letter, it says I am. And they're going to say, oh, your circumstances must have changed since you got that letter. And those of you who've tried to do this on your own and have that letter, look at the letter. It says not that you're eligible for EI, it says that you used to be eligible. Look at the dates. They're all in the past. And if you try to make an employment insurance claim today, they're going to do it again. And you'll remember that the time that they spent with you on the phone for 5 minutes to get that letter, well, that's not going to be the kind of interview that you're going to get this time. When you try to claim $15,000 or $20,000 of employment insurance benefits, they're going to do a 3-hour interrogation, and they're going to find something. They're going to find something that you didn't offer the last time when they were collecting your premiums, but when you're trying to take money from them, whoa, turns into the goaltender, and they're protecting the net. They got all the cash, and they're basically saying, you know what, people who are related aren't eligible. Prove to us that you are. And you're, for the one time in your life, going to say, well, what do you mean, prove to you? But they're not going to give you the rules. It's up to you to figure it out. And if you don't offer and suggest and give them the information that they need, they're going to deny you benefits. It's just going to say, no, you weren't eligible, and you're still not eligible. They don't have to prove anything. You've got to prove yourself to get in. So what I'm saying to people who are related to the owners is that you don't want to be eligible. You don't want to play this game. It's not a fair, there's no fair rules. What you want to do, if you can, and this is what we help people do, is to keep those premiums all these years, put them in a safe place, put them in your RRSP, put them in your bank account, spend them, it doesn't matter, invest them back into your business. Don't pay for something that you're very, very likely, and more than like 10% out of 100% are only going to collect those benefits. The 90% of you, you shouldn't be paying the premiums. We can help you get out. We can get the proper documentation from the federal government if you're not eligible, so you don't have to pay those premiums anymore. And if I don't deliver the proper documentation that says you're not eligible, it costs you nothing. It's free. It's guaranteed. If I'm correct, you're going to get a refund, and you're going to get documentation that says you get to put another $2,000 a year back into your pocket. And if I'm wrong, you can keep paying those premiums, and the government will tell you that you're eligible.